If anybody working with me parallelly, just log in your Mendeley as well as the Sotero account, both account, login, and open the Mendeley desktop as well as Sotero desktop, both together. Okay. So just I will share you few features which is available in the desktop options, because we have seen the website libraries, but we have not seen the desktop. Similar options were available, because see, if you see in website, in mainly website, you can find the career option, data sets, okay, the search options of articles, whether it is open access, but certain features were not available over here, because this mainly desktop is mainly for citations and adding reference, managing reference purpose. Here you cannot see the dataset options or career options in these mainly desktop. This desktop is mainly for citation purpose. Similarly, the Sotero also. Okay. So just if you are just you can right click any article. Okay. Journal of any article. Just if you're doing the right click. So here you can find all the information about the journal article. It tags all the information, DOI number, ISSN number, and you can, if you want to update few details, you can update it, or if you want to mark as read, unread, favorite, any sections, whatever the sections you want to do it, you can do it. And if you want to copy as like formatted citations, so in default I think currently AP 6th edition or 7th edition is there, it seems. Okay, so in that editions uh, it will be in default. Okay, so just one second, I'll delete this. Just if you want to delete some article, just click and click this and click delete button. That's all. It will be automatically deleted. Okay. Then yeah, while you are right clicking, check if you want to delete any documents. You can delete it. If you want to export, you want to export it also. You can export it. Okay. So similar option you can see in the right side in the top menu, like file, edit, view, tools. So when you open the tool, sorry, the Bentley desktop option, click the tool and check install web importer, uninstall MS Word plugin. If here install and install any issues were there, for example, see, I have opened this my Word file. Okay. If I click this reference, I'm able to find mainly over here. Insert citation, undo reference, export, insert bibliography, open Mendeley. This belongs to the, because the Mendeley plugin has been added inside this reference option. If for you just go through your Word file, check the Mendeley is available over here. If not, click this tools option. Here now it is showing uninstall, but for you it will be showing install. Just click it and install it. Okay, web importer I think you'll be having that, because mainly for web importer is for collecting articles to the library when you are browsing in the internet, browsing some articles in Google Scholar or various search engines. You want to add that article. Okay, you can use this web importer. So currently the default style is in engineering structures, and edit option, if you want to copy something new for creating new folders. So file can add files, add folders, all options were there. See here, synchronizing library. The shortcut key is F5. Sometimes in this website, few researchers they will be adding. If you click this library option, they'll be adding many number of articles. But in some case, some articles when you are searching for referencing or citation purpose, you'll be not able to connect with those articles. In that case, immediately go to this desktop option. I think in the right hand there will be okay, better F5 is better. F5 synchronizing library, just your click, it will be synchronized. In profile is not much needed. Okay, then if you want to create a group, you can create it, like all deleted documents were over here. And if you want to create some folders, you can create it. Favorite needs to review your own publication, recently read and recently added, and all the documents. It will be all will be available in the Mendeley desktop options. Okay. Think any query regarding this? Anyone? So relevant to my all documents, the authors' names were here. If you want to filter by authors, because few researchers, right, relevant to your disciplines, uh, it can. I think someone were unmuted there. Professor Sandeep, yeah, thank you. Okay, you can filter by authors. See, you can go to this file option and you can click synchronize, or you can click your file, or directly you can see here the sync option. Just you can just give a click. That's all. Okay. Then creating folder, create a new folder, remove the current folder. If you want to add anything, add files, add folder, watch folder, add entry manually. All you can do it. So similar kind of shutter also. If you just you right click, you can view online, view snapshot, show file. You can add note, you can add any attachment. Okay, duplicate items. Export option is there. Then create bibliography. When you click this create bibliography, you'll be having two options. One is citation, one is bibliography. If you click the citation, okay, this is how it will be getting this because it is in AP 6th 7th edition, I think. Sorry. Then if you right click this, create bibliography. If you click other than citation, if you click this bibliography option and click OK, you can find all the informations like name, author, year, journal name, article title, journal name, volume number, page number, issue number is not here, and UA number. So these are all like kind of a manually. You'll be doing these works as manually. Okay. Then for you can add some PDF file of your articles in a separate folders, your own publications. Okay. What I'll suggest is anyone like you mentally or suitable anyone try to uh, use it. Then here the synchronize like option if you're adding few articles to the Sotoro library, kind of a web library. Okay. Just click in the right hand you can find sync with Sotoro in the right hand below the close symbol. Okay. So any browser connector, any add-ons, you can click and install it. Mostly manage attachment will not developer also it will not. Click install browser connector, and another I think it will be not much. You won't be using much. Okay. Then you can search here for advanced search option because if see some articles there it is not a big issue, but we're having some 700 500 articles. Searching articles scrolling from the top to the bottom to be a little bit difficult. So you can use this advanced search option. So you can attach some file through ATS URLs and you can add notes. Okay. Various features. Okay. How we are using it effectively that matters. Okay. Features were there. Then you can search by title, creator, year, or all field, or everything, whatever. Uh, how we can search and find relevant articles, you can search it. So similar tag option which you have seen yesterday, same options were there for both tools like in Mendeley as well as in Zotero. So here also you can various folders where there just if I click one folder, I can create some sub collection. I can rename the collection, delete collection and items, export collection, create bibliography, all the informations it will be available in Zotero. When you click in Mendeley, rename folder, remove folder, edit settings, new folder, new group. Okay. Now this is a word file. This is the word file. This is the for inserting the in-text citation. In-text citation is consider this as the introduction part of your article. So inside the every introduction part, or okay, you'll be having some, you'll be citing some article, right? So those article or those authors you will be rewriting it, right? You will be rephrasing or you will be rewriting in the introduction part. They must get the credit. Some researchers are there; they'll be copying the reference from some other journal, and just they will be putting like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. It's not the correct way. It's not the correct way. You should not do that. Okay. So here consider the under some sees me excitation. I'm clicking insert citation. So I have to search the article by author name or title or year. Just I'm searching my name Danny or something. Okay, I'm able to find one article. So just have giving a click. Okay, so it seems one. Next, I will select over some other paragraphs. Okay, insert citation. I will search by year 2020. And at last, one more insert citation. And next is 2018. Okay, now I have added three reference. So here it will be a reference reference option. When you're clicking insert bibliography, the three articles were added here. Three articles were added here. So currently the format or the style is Institute of Physics. Institute of Physics. I'm changing for engineering structures. Various format has been changed, right? Then for APA 6th edition, you'll find the changes A, B, C, D, S, Cruise et al. 2018, Spencer, Dyke, okay. Then Daniel, these all, okay. Now I'm going to this more style option, and for an example, my discipline maybe belongs to some other discipline. Okay, oh, for an example, I will search some. I think here will be one more option. It's okay. Get more styles. Okay, we have to search it. Okay, most of the articles, someone can tell some journal name from your disciplines in the chat box. Someone can tell me the journal title relevant to your discipline in the chat box. It is possible. Thank you. BMJ, little bit. So one thing in this mainly we are not able to find the this journal referencing style. Okay, now we'll move on to Sotoro. We'll have a check over there. Okay, Sotoro will remove all these. Just one second. I will explain this and then we'll move on to that. Okay, now API 6th edition is there. Now, if you are clicking this more style option, relevant to your discipline, there may be various journal name. Like for example, I'm searching civil. One second, get more styles. Civil. Okay, I can find few journals like it is more relevant to my research works or more any specific journals. Okay, I can search and if you click this journal name And if you click install, it will be added in the installed option. It will be added in the installed option. When you click done, when you click done, it will be ready. Okay. Now we will have a check-in Sotero. Sotero will be a separate plugin menu in the top. Just you can find the Sotero here. Click add citation. Sorry, before that we need to here you will plan to fix one reference. Add citation. So one article. So many articles were there the same name. Okay. Here it is mentioned one. Then at last I will make one more. Add or edit citation. Click that. For next, I am sharing some of the examples. Okay. I'm typing reference and add bibliography. So here it has been added. Now, when you go to this document preference, based upon the IEEE format, it has been formatted. Now, the same article, this article may be rejected from IEEE. Rejected from IEEE. So I'm planning to see for an example. I'm sharing this article to engineering structures. Just click into engineering structures. Click OK. So based upon that, it will be formatted automatically, just in a single click. Just in a single click. See, we don't want to make our article to be rejected from various journal offices, but that is not an issue here. But if it is rejected, if it is rejected, uh, you will be sorry, like you will be formatting, right? You will be formatting the article to the new journal. In that case, if it is a reputed journals, you can find these options over here. Just one second, I'll click the document preference, and here you can find manage styles. Manage styles around some 10,000 plus journal names were there. Get additional styles. Click journal of occasional behavior. So in both source, the journal name is not there. Okay. So just I'll type here civil for example. Nearly 16 results were found for civil. We'll have a check in Menly. For example, here. See, I'm planning to change the referencing style. So when get more styles, you type civil 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Around 16. Moreover, both were similar. For some discipline, what I have found is I don't know whether it's a reputed journals or not, the Journal of Occasional Behavior. But see, most of the reputed journals it will be available over in these tools, mainly as well as Sotoro. If these both were not you cannot able to find in both tools, some journals, okay. In that case, what I will suggest is just copy and paste the earlier published article. Earlier published article and their references alone, and check which referencing things were matching with the other one. You can see here, for example, this is the journal, which means civil. Okay, so when I click here, I can find the how the referencing style. Okay, how the reference. The next one, and the next RK or civil belongs to elsewhere publications. Then for American Society of Civil Engineers, Canadian journals, you can see the difference between each journals. It will be 1.2.3, and someone here, one dot will not be there. It will be in brackets. One, it will be in brackets. One, it is in brackets. So the way I'm sharing these all information over here is based upon the journal referencing style. This will change. Simple changes only. Therefore, there it will be one dot. So just 1 second. Here it is in bracket 1 to 3 is mentioned. But here somewhere it is mentioned one dot and something. You can see here one dot. It depends. Here the year may be next to this, and here the year is also next to this, and here it is in brackets. Here it's in brackets. Here it's in brackets. Here, so here I think and next to the title, I think here become next to the. It depends. It depends. Okay. So now one thing you can do the citation work easily, but the main issue is adding articles to the library. Both just you add in website, that is more than enough. If you add in the website, that is more than enough. At the same time, always keep in your mind that if you are having some because based upon the software itself, if you are using this software, if you are having some 30 citation inside, surely you'll be having 30 reference, but manually there is a chance of getting some errors, right? You'll be having 30 articles, but inside there will be 29 articles. So the reviewer will be asking some query. So these are all will happen. But here that issues will not be there. Why? Because as we are using the software and we are preparing uh, the reference section, okay, the other issues will not be there. Then referencing style, like, this is for mainly AP style, IEEE, so various referencing styles were there. Like anybody working parallelly along with me, this mainly as well as Sotero, can anyone? See, so simple Sotero, it will be as a separate plugin. And one more information, in case your Sotero or Wendy file were missing, go to this file option, go to this account option, sorry, go to this options, then click add-ins and have a check that the Sotero were active and Wendy also were active. So check whether both were active or not. Maybe a couple of months ago, suddenly I don't know what happened, and mainly were in the inactive link. So I'm not able to make it. Then finally double click and done something. It has been said okay. So Sotero, when you click this additional style, you will be getting more number of referencing styles. So what I was thinking is that the Mendeley is little bit lesser when comparatively to Sotero, but Sotero is having only 300 MB and Mendeley is having nearly 2 GB. That is the reason many researchers they prefer 2 GB. Okay, I think you can have some question and suggestions so that The numerical format. See, in numerical itself, with bracket, without brackets, such options were there. So download the earlier published article relevant to the. So you are preparing you are going to prepare the article for some manuscripts, or the first time your article will be rejected in some journal. So second, you are planning to submit in some journals. So download one or two articles from that journal. So download one or two articles from that journal and check how the referencing style they have attached. So okay, if you have Windows, yes, Windows like which Windows? I'm not getting the question correctly. Mm, See, as you mentioned, the numbering, superscript, subscript, everything is okay, but that is also based upon the journal. Currently, many researchers were not submitting their articles to the limited access journal, which is like free journals. They somehow they'll be through WhatsApp or various groups, they'll be connected and they'll be receiving some message that 5,000, 10,000, 25,000. Okay, so that is the reason many people currently they don't bother about the superscript, subscripts of various referencing styles. Somebody will be preparing for them. All these issues were happening. And parallelly, keep in your mind that if Windows is there with you, that will be much better. Even it is in Linux and other files, it is working. But I have not tried with those source details. Even I have heard a professor, one of our, even he has been a resource person, Professor Rajavasant. He is using this uh, Apple uh, computer, and he's been using all these tools like Winley, Sotoro, and other thing in his laptop. So it depends upon the way system which you use. So automatically it will detect, and you can download it the desktop and you can work on it. It's numerical study. Any more queries? So your all your certificates you'll be receiving on next week Friday. On next week Friday you'll be receiving to your respective email IDs. Okay. Any more queries regarding this board Pengley as well as
Yes,
Sotaro?
sir. Hello.
Hello,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
sir. Sir, actually, I want to ask you that while attending your session, I have one query, sir. That in Mandly or in Zotero, I think that both are reference organizer, and it will help to organize our reference in sequence form in our research paper, sir. So what will
Yes,
happen
yes.
if if what will happen, sir, if I arrange all the references manually without the help of Mandly or Zotero, but I will arrange all such references sequentially as per the requirement of that uh, respective journal publication house. So is there any difference, sir?
You're asking manually.
Yeah,
What
sir.
you are asking is manually. If you're doing now, it will be better or not, right? So simple, sir. As I
Yeah, yeah,
mentioned,
sir. Yes, sir.
yeah, good question,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Nearly 10,000 plus referencing styles were there in Sotoro. As we seen, right, for some headings, various changes, like it will be in italic, the volume number will be in italic, and next the year will be in brackets. Some referencing style years will not be in
Yes,
brackets.
sir.
So after the author's name, every author's name, there will not be any comma. The full stop will be there. So various referencing style have small changes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But we are copying from Google Scholar
Yes,
or other sources and we'll be pasting it. Even I have done the same couple of years ago. But what is the issue
yes,
is
sir.
that we are giving credit for the existing literatures, but for some authors they are getting the credit and some they are not getting the credit. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So here, even what earlier days, what I have done is each and everything I will, as you mentioned, manually I will
Yes,
copy
sir.
from Google Scholar and I will be adding if I'm having some 20 articles, first to the last. Then I will copy based upon their template. I will be making arrangements and all these things I will be doing it. Then some journal referencing style they will be asking you should have a DOI numbers, digital object identifier number. Then I will be opening various
Yeah.
journals and I will be searching, comma this journal, comma DOI numbers, and I will be copying and pasting. So for these works, little bit will be take lot of
Okay.
time. Okay, but this kind of referencing tool, if you are having 20 reference, if you are keeping this
Yes,
20 reference in a folder, separate
sir.
folder, your work will be a little bit fast. Just you write the introduction part. Okay, Daniel said so and so. Arun Kumar discussed so and so. Professor Sandeep proposed a work so and so. Neeraj Kumar, Professor Neeraj Kumar has been discussing or explaining or developed a new device or something. If you are writing about all these works, so you know, okay,
Yes,
you will
sir.
search in the Menly. Okay, Arun. Okay, this is the
Yes.
article. Okay, that is number one. Okay, next, Daniel, I will search. Okay, this is Daniel is second. Okay, third. Okay, your work will be a little bit easier if, for the introduction part if you are adding and just typing a reference, and if you based
Okay.
upon the format if you are providing it, it will be perfect. Okay, even though for some reference, the DO number may be missing, the volume number may be missing. That issues may be there. That is the reason why I will suggest you is you can use these tools. If you are collecting articles from reputed journals, you can use these tools. I know some researchers they will be publishing their articles in some paid journals fully like 5,000, sorry, 500, 1,000, 2,000. Such journals they don't bother about this referencing style. Such journals, many journals are there. Predictor journals, clone journals, they don't bother about much. They need some article and they need some money. Okay, but reputed journals
Yes,
they
sir.
follow all this instruction because they have a separate team, that production department. They go through each and everything how you are done the referencing work.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay, sir. So
Okay.
even I have done it manually. Uh,
Yes.
some like some I think recently I have done one book chapter. Even to that I have done a normal Word file because for 5 articles a little bit easier. But more number of reference. If you are writing a literature review article, you are having 250 reference. So
Yes,
250 times
definitely,
you will
sir.
go to Google Scholar and you will add and you will do the formatting or it will be difficult, right?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So in that case, these types of tools will be helpful, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, okay, sir. Okay.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
sir. Thank you.
Yeah, I'll provide my email ID. Then I'll see. Karunya. This is my personal mail ID. You can connect with me if you have any query in installing or because not only this session, like after this session also, if you have any query regarding these tools, even parallel I'm helping so many. So you can just drop a mail and we can have like a Google Meet when you are free. Both you can share your screen and you can go through it. Rihanna Shibu, ma'am. I think once again I will explain you that as you mentioned. So sorry, I think your query is, sir, can you please share the latest list of Scopus indexed SCA journals? So see, Scopus, you were asking about list of Scopus. I think I can go to Scopus preview and I can collect it. Just one second. Just one second, ma'am. So till July, the list were there. I think I'll share the WhatsApp group so that. But ma'am, are you in the WhatsApp group? Professor Rihanna Shibu. Yes, ma'am. I'm sharing over there the group now. And as you asked about SCA journals, so SCA journals, there is, see, many people they have created through various sources, they have collected and they have created this SCA journal list. But SCA journal list details will be available in just 1 second. Mm, list will be in, there is a website named Master Journal List. Master Journalist, Clarity Analytics. Clarity Analytics. You can go through that and just search relevant to your topic and you can find some Web of Science for SCI. Currently, SCI is not there. SCIE, Science Citation Index expanded. Okay, that is for mostly of the engineering journals like some social science and other disciplines. It's like social science. I think. Wait, just 1 second. I'll go through that so that you can. 1 second. I'll upload this detail the group. Ma'am, I think my screen is visible. See Scopus, this Scopus preview, if you click Scopus host list, it will be downloaded. Just that file only I am adding in the WhatsApp group. And master journalist. Here it is. I'll so you go to this link. I think I will share those link over here. This is for Robo Science journals. Okay. For example, there is search journal option will be there. Just click here. Now, ma'am, your discipline, ma'am. Can you please let me know that? Professor Rihanna Shibu, can you tell your disciplines? I think she's there. Okay, I'll just share for some other discipline. Okay, mechanical. Just I'm searching. See, we have to click this Robo Science coverage. So you can find here these four are the core collections currently for Robo Science. So SCI is not there currently. That is Science Citation Index expanded. Okay, this is the topmost. Then disciplines. I think what I how I will compare is like emerging source citation and Scopus will be moreover similar. Okay, but SCI a little bit the top Q1 journals will be in SCIE. So for example, if you want to select need some journals like mechanical, I need some journal. So in SCIE, just click SCIE, and then I will go through more specifically like advanced in mechanical engineering, Sage publication, advance of Arcus of Civil Thesis belongs to Springer, and Chinese Journal of Mechanical Engineering, Springer, Facta Universities. So these journals where belongs to some university journal. So there, if you have any collaboration from these unis, your article would be a little bit easier when comparatively to journals like Chinese. But obviously, the article like 3 or 4 journals Science Citation Index expanded. But always keep in your mind various sources you can publish such articles in these journals, but uh, the knowledge which you are gathering during your research journal, that will be more helpful. Okay, you will be having some satisfaction, right? You have done something that is going to helpful to somebody. So that satisfaction is you should keep that thing. Journal of Advanced Mechanical Design Systems and Manufacturing. Okay, Journal of Mechanical Design, Journal of Mechanical Science and Technology. Okay, nearly 353 results were there. So here, as I have clicked here the SAE, so relevant to the title like mechanical, nearly 353 SAE index SAE journals were there. But if you see, most of the researchers they only focus on some 5 to 6 or some 10 names. They will be here in various forums. Just they publish their article. You should just go to this journal. Okay. Their institutes. Okay, just go through it. Then any other new publishers, just have a look on. So this is the journal name, scientific journal, Factor University Source. Okay, these are all the editor in chief. Three editors were there. So I think currently Professor Midrock, sorry, 2013. I think no, currently some other editors were there. Then again, this belongs to Springer, Chinese Society of Mechanical Engineers, American Society of Mechanical Engineers, Copernicus. I think this journal belongs to some Germany company, the publisher. You can go through this. For example, so some researchers their article these such articles cannot pass ACA expanded. In that case, you can go to other options. See, so like see how for engineering and other disciplines like core like site citation index for psychology and certain disciplines, their articles will be belongs to the social science and arts and index. Okay, Poland, then Taylor and Francis, University of Malaysia, Springer. So here is some university they are running the journal like from they are from Jordan, Jordan Journal of Mechanical and Industrial Engineering. And another one thing, see here, based upon this journal, just one information. If some journal has been run by some institute, it will be not deleted easily. Some companies or publishers, if they are running, due to some issues, they may be removed from Scopus, removed from Science. It may happen really to the publishing company. So I think, so what is the ACT approved journals in a list? So I think approved journals. They always expect your articles to be in like Scopus indexed. Above Science Index itself, it will be considered for Arts and Humanities Index, Social Science Citation Index, and other things. So some like AACT, some approved journals where I don't know how they're taking it, but for UGC CAR listed journals, you can go to the website UGC CAR listed and you can log in it. You can find a few journals which is approved by UGC. Even UGC were categorized into two parts. One is Group 1 and Group 2. Two is normal Scopus and Science Index journals. So based upon if you are doing your PhD, in your regulations, if they have mentioned UGC approved journal or UGC CAR listed journals, which mean those journals were in Scopus currently, those journals were above Science currently, These journals are eligible for Group 2 in UGC CAR listed, and Group we have searched it. Only 15 journals were there. Very few number of journals were there. Can you please ask once more? Okay, can you do it with social work, social science, social work? Okay, I think I'll do that because there's many. Okay. See here, I think L type. Okay, social. Science. Annual review of law and social science. I think very few journals were the political, social science, other matches. Asian Journal of Social Science. So these journals were not indexed as SCI, Science Citation Index. So these journals were indexed as Social Science Citation Index. So research relevant to behavioral science. I think few researchers they belongs to the they will be doing research on the psychological aspects, behavioral aspects, contemporary social science, right? Energy research and social science, Ghana Social Science Journal. This is like emerging source citation index. But if it is a emerging source citation index also, it's belong to above science index. See, Scopus is just only one, but above science has various core collection like ACI, E, ACAE, and SSCI, EHCI, and ESCI. There are other index also like zoological record, but very few number of journals will be there in this. Then if you want to select some journals where it is open access or not, you can click this option. The category you can select it, and the religion, sorry, the region you can select it, and the language, the frequency. Some journals only every year they will be publishing. You want your articles to be published in that case every year, so it will be making it will be taking a little more time. So it depends how you are selecting. If it is a monthly, if your article is accepted, like every monthly, you can find very few journals were there. Only two, three journals were there. Okay. Sir, paid journals are not good if they are UGC CAR listed journals. So, as per my suggestion, UGC CAR listed journals, nearly 95 percentage plus journals were not paid journals. Not paid journals. But people were confused between UGC approved journals and UGC CAR listed journals. UGC approved journals were till 2019. It is the all the journals were mentioned as UGC approved list of journals. Till now, people people many researchers they go to some website like around they'll be paying some 500,000 and it will be mentioned in the website that it is a UGC approved journal. But during that time you are not thinking that that is a UGC CAR listed. UGC CAR listed journals were different from UGC approved list of journals. Okay. Many people just see the UGC and they submit the article, pays 1,500, publish, and they'll be going for completion of their PhD work in many institutes. But their institute they won't accept that because that is not a UGC CAR listed journals. The article which you published is a UGC approved journals. Even 2 3 days before, one civil engineering researcher he completed his PhD. Sorry, not completed. Like during his publication, uh, normally everyone will be submitting in elsewhere. Options will be there. But somehow knowingly or unknowingly, while submission, there is an option that choose the category. So just he has selected the category. Many researchers they won't select those categories. As he selected in his publication, also it is mentioned that this article belongs to this subcategory. So these university they are thought that this belongs to some special issue and they won't accept. That is a highly impact factor, nearly 3-4 impact, like based upon the discipline I'm telling, more impact factor, and it's more nearly 1 some months he took. I think 3 reviews he undergoes. Now all his works were over. All his works were he's not having any work, but the institute were not approving his work. Okay. So what I will suggest is uh, before submitting your article to some journals, be careful. Be careful in the sense like you have to be more clear. This article which you are submitting, whether there is a see which journal you want to publish. If you want to publish for a Scopus Index, check through various sources like the Excel sheet which I have shared now. Kindly check it once. So can you please tell me if the journal name Advances in Environmental Research is UGC CAR listed or not? Just one second, I will share it. Are you this the Science Direct journal? Are you talking about, man? Sorry, sir. UGC CAR listed or not? This title has been incorporated to this Journal of Environmental Management. Just one second. Are you talking about this journal or any other? So, Journal of Environmental Management. Mm, no, I think are you by Technopress, not this one. Okay, thank you. Okay, the next one. You want to know this is UGC CAR listed or not? Okay. So here ESCI index is there, Emerging Source Citation Index. Just copy the ISSN number. Just copy the ISSN number and paste over here. Sorry, I have to come from the first. Here it is mentioned Advances in Environmental Technopress Emerging Source Citation Index. So, as I mentioned earlier, no matter which core collection it belongs to, if it is a Web of Science Index journal, it belongs to UGC CAR listed Group 2. UGC CAR listed Group 2. ESCA is there. But I think this title is not there in Scopus. Just you can have a check. Screen is visible right now. This journal is not indexed in Scopus, but this journal is indexed in uh, Web of Science Index. Okay, but it is not a SCIE index journal. SCIE index, it is not a SCIE index journal. Yeah, I think Technopress, yeah, this journal. Paper design is it, okay. So are you asking for your PhD purpose or see in the institute? If it is for a PhD, there will be some various years. There will be various regulations. 5 years before or 10 years before, they want your article to be published in for PhD. So I don't know about which university you belongs to. Uh, ask them whether they accept Web of Science index because during my PhD tenure, in there they have mentioned only Scopus. They have mentioned only Scopus. See here, India. What is the issue? Is frankly speaking, that uh, the NAC, India accreditation, and other committees, the Scopus will be little bit easier. Scopus will be little bit easier. See here, if I go to this website Scopus, if I go to this author search and I'm putting sorry author search, if I'm searching my name and title, this is my earlier application. Just so I think this one. Okay. Now here in the affiliation it is mentioned as okay, Karunya. Okay, now we have to keep in mind that so when the institute will be providing that this year they have nearly some 1,200 articles. Okay, so from the accreditation and other committees directly they will be asking this purpose that from this institute from this date to this date they are telling this much number of articles is published. Yeah, indexed in Scopus. They will check if yes, okay, next they can go for the other works. But the issue is what there is no option like this Scopus for RoboScience. We have to search with the ISSN number or the title of the journal in this master journalist and we have to search it. That is the reason many researchers in India they don't want to make their articles to be in Web of Science. But SEA is a Web of Science indexed group. SEA Science Citation Index belongs to Web of Science. Q1 journals were not more Scopus, but Q1 journals are mostly like SEA expanded, right? But the thing is like there is you will be not having such these kind of profiles. If you click here, you can find all your articles. These options were not there in Web of Science. That is the reason searching by through article this year it may be emerging source citation index. For example, you may publishing your article in this journal. Next year, this journal maybe belongs to not emerging source. It may belongs to science citation index. So what you will be telling that okay this article I have one more ACA index journal. So there are some uh, like pros and cons in this kind of indexing. Okay, so that is the reason many because for accreditations for that is the reason many Indian institutes have fully bother about only Scopus. They morning to evening like everywhere they talk only about Scopus. They don't talk about the docents. If you go to abroad, because even I have applied for the postdoc in China, they only talk about these most of the Web of Science journals. I think nearly 6 to 7 Web of Science like in ESCA journals I had. So probably they because uh, they morely uh, like uh, other than Scopus, they take these Web of Science journals because ACIE belongs to Web of Science group. Okay, ACE not belongs to Scopus group. Even the impact factor number has been provided by Web of Science group, but the what is that Simago sorry SGR ranking and other rankings were for every journal that is provided by Scopus groups. So these both like elsewhere and Web of Science were two big giants in the research industry. So they also have some research tools. They also have another research tool. They have a personal profile. Then mainly they have one thing. So all these they have okay, then Publons for mainly for adding the reviewers they have started. Then again personal profile, CV, your metrics, all the information they have additionally added now. That's how it's going on. But what I will suggest is in these profiles you can have it based upon Scopus or above saying. But referencing tool, anyone you can try to use it. Empirical economics letter is listed in. I think regarding this ABDC even recently, professor I was being just search it because I have seen one PDF file. There it has been mentioned because the ABDC these are all kind of a listed journals. You see, UGC UGC is kind of an not an index. It's a listed journals. See, if you see in many journals, it will be mentioned as abstracting and indexing. Abstracting and indexing. In such journals, you cannot find most of the UGC details. You cannot find. Okay. See, all these Scopus indexed and Web of Science indexed journals are listed in UGC CARE. CARE in the sense like consortium of uh, some details were there. Okay. I have gone through one PDF recently. I can take and I can share in the group regarding this ABDC. Okay. I think the no more queries. Any more queries? Okay, participants. Okay, if there are no more queries, we'll wind up sessions. Okay, thank you. Yeah, I think we have shared the video link. The parallel when you are getting free time, just practice it. In between, if you have any query, you can call me. I think I will share my contact number also. Can connect me. So, if some 15 or some half an hour before, if you are telling to me that I can also be ready. Okay, so that if you have any doubt or in somewhere if you are stuck, if you are not move to the next level, just you can create a immediate meeting in Google Meet. Just share the link. We'll join and we can discuss. Okay. I will be more happy to help you in this regards. Just a thought about how to make your citations better. Citations better, like there are various options. You can share whatever the article which you are publishing in social network. That is the first thing. Next, you can share these articles in your academia.edu after the publication. After the publication and indexing, then only you have to share in your social academic network like academia or researchgate, so that your articles can reach more number of people. Then while you are selecting the journals, every journal there will be an option that abstracting and indexing. So try to select the journals which has more abstract and index. Now for an example, we have seen on article Technopress. So they have mentioned only one index, that is ESCI, right? If you go to Springer, there will be some journals, they'll be having 40, 50 indexing will be there, which means nearly 50 website, your article title and your article abstract will be there. So that if somebody is searching some relevant keywords, your article will be come to the first. Okay. So these are all the reasons many researchers they search more number of abstracting and indexing. Then another one option is that don't try to publish your articles in some journal of engineering, journal of some common topic journals. For example, if your research work is in relevant to fire safety, there is a journal named Journal of Fire Safety. So try to publish your article in that journal, not in the common journal, so that your article can reach more specifically to the research, your own research area, faculties or researchers. Okay, so that more number of people can go through your articles. These are some of the options to increase your citations, because in future the citations, self citation and other citations all will become to an parameter for your like your faculty upgradations. Okay, so that parallelly, for if you are a fresh researchers, if you are doing your PhD, parallelly you have to work for that. Any more queries? Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Sandeep sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. If there are no more queries, we'll wind up. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you. Meet you all in other future sessions. Thank you.